The Swivel lever device has been showing some pretty interesting properties. We can see that it's bobbling back and forth as if it's repeating cycles almost. And we can see that if we adjust this, it has the normal properties of a swivel lever device where it will lift the counterweight and also rise up again like that sort of like that. If we look at the properties of the swivel lever device, it has a counterweight mass of greater than 2 times to less than 3 times the mass of the ball, and a leverage of 2 to 1, and a predicted over unity of less than 150%, which is fairly high. Thanks for watching.